Welcome back to another delightful episode of Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're diving into a mouth-watering recipe that's sure to become a family favorite. Butter garlic chicken breast. So, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. To kick things off, I've got here 500 grams of succulent chicken breast, cut into perfect 1-inch chunks. Into this bowl, we'll be infusing our chicken with a burst of flavors. Sprinkle on some salt and freshly ground black pepper. These seasonings will beautifully enhance the natural taste of the chicken. Give it a good mix to make sure every piece is coated evenly. Now, we're going to let this chicken party marinate for about 15 minutes. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now let's add another layer of goodness. Add 3 tablespoons of flour to the chicken, making sure every piece is nicely coated with flour. Now, let's heat up a pan over medium heat and add a drizzle of vegetable oil. Once that oil is dancing with heat, it's time to introduce our marinated chicken. Place each piece in the pan carefully, and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn that irresistible golden hue. Now comes the superstar of our dish. Butter. Melt a generous amount of butter in the pan to take our flavors to the next level. After that buttery goodness melted away, let's add in some minced garlic. The aroma is already filling the air. Time to thicken things up a bit. Sprinkle in half a tablespoon of flour and give it a good stir until all the lumps vanish. Get ready for a burst of flavors. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth to create the base of our luscious sauce. We're not stopping there. A dash of black pepper, a sprinkle of thyme, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice are going to take this sauce from good to absolutely amazing. You'll find all the ingredients in the description box below. It's time for the grand reunion. Gently place the fried chicken chunks back into the pan and let them swim in that delectable sauce. Let it all simmer and mingle for about 5 more minutes on medium heat. This is where those flavors come together in a harmonious dance. To add a final touch of freshness and color, let's sprinkle in some chopped parsley. Give it a good stir. And there you have it, our sensational butter garlic chicken breast is ready to be savored. This dish is a perfect blend of tender chicken, aromatic garlic, and that rich, velvety sauce. It's a symphony of flavors that'll leave your taste buds singing. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more heavenly recipes, and always remember good food brings good mood.